hanging out with a guy that I first met somewhere back in the mid-90s. Bob Hoefer was running, it was Thunderbird, right?
That's correct.
Thunderbird Lanes?
Thunderbird Lanes, yeah.
Thunderbird Lanes. Now we're at his new venue here in Oswego, Lighthouse Lanes, which I got to tell you is one of the nicest places I've ever been to. Somewhere along the way, we both figured out we had something to do with racing, him in Oswego and me on the dirt. So all those years we could have been talking racing. We didn't even know, Bob.
I know we talked bowling and we had racing as common as well. So.
Yep. And so obviously, when I pulled in here, this recorded was like 5:15, I think, maybe on Tuesday, something like that. Couldn't help but notice we got some campers out there. We got golf carts. You usually get a lot of walk-up stuff during Super Dirt Week.
Yeah, for sure. Super Dirt Week's it's turned into a wonderful event for us and the whole community as well. But yeah, we have 30 campers out in our parking lot. It's basically the same people every year, and we get the people from the hotel across the street as well as the campers out back. And it's a pretty popular place, especially when the weather gets a little tricky. So we're here to invite everybody in and enjoy a game of bowling and a nice hamburger or a hot dog or some chicken wings and a nice cold beer or anything of your choice.
Yeah, I see one of the teams in there having some pizza in the bar right now, as a matter of fact. So as far as Oswego businesses, how big is this for the community? I've talked to Joe, I've talked to some of the other folks. How big is this?
Well, I can speak for us personally that it's been a huge impact for us. It's a great week for everybody, and I'm certain that the other people I've talked to in town, it's really a nice little boost for everybody in our community, and we certainly appreciate all the efforts of the people from the Super Dirt Car Series and everything else, the efforts that they put in their class operation, and we're glad to have them in our town.
More bowling, more people at the bar, more people eating. What is the
both. It's
all three pretty much?
It's all really good. There's we got the Mahaney's coming in here.
Oh yeah.
Their whole group there. Yeah, we got a little partnership going with them, and
nice.
They'll be in here I think on Thursday night, and when they're done, and we're hanging out and doing a little autograph deal, and
nice.
Hanging out, and they come in bowling and have a good time. So. Come down and meet Mike and his whole crew, and they'll be in here Thursday evening.
Nice folks, too. And the reason I wanted to make sure to air this, too, I know you guys a lot of watching this on Tuesday night. Sounds like tomorrow's going to be a washout, so they should bring their bowling balls, right?
Absolutely, yeah. There's a gentleman camping in the lot. He's been in here every day.
Really?
Brought his bowling balls with him. But, yeah, we'll be open tomorrow morning all day, right up until 2 a.m. We're serving late, so...
Oh, 2 a.m.?
Yeah. If you're looking for some food late at night after your party's over, we're here to help you out. And, We'll get it out to you there.
Yeah, it seems like it's okay to bring your golf cart over here too.
Yeah, you can bring your golf
that's
carts
very good.
over.
So, all right.
Yes, sir.
Well, good to see you again, Bob.
Good to see you, Bob,
and again, I met him almost 30 years ago at this point. So, Lighthouse Lanes. It's right. What is this road called here?
It's right on Champagne Drive.
Right on Champagne Drive.
Yep,
okay.
Right off of turn 1 of the Speedway.
Yep. So come on down, guys. Get something to eat, something cold to drink, and bowl a few games while you're here. Good to see you, Bob. You take care of yourself, okay, guys? Guys, remember, come on over. Check things out here. One of the nicest places I've ever been, right here at Lighthouse Lanes.